Earlier today, I spoke with Archbishop Timothy Broglio, chairman-elect of the Committee on Priorities and Plans, about the Vatican's report on Theodore McCarrick, the USCCB's strategic plan, and the importance of living our faith. Archbishop Timothy P. Broglio joins me now on Skype. Your Excellency, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for your time. The Vatican's report on Theodore McCarrick is very much on the minds of the faithful right now. What are your thoughts on that report? And also, where do we go from here in rebuilding trust, especially for the survivors?
Well, I think two things. One, I'm absolutely amazed at how complete the report is and the information that's contained therein. So certainly we're very grateful to the Holy See for providing the report. Secondly, I think it's important to remember the things that have been put in place in the United States in particular, and really across the world, to try and ensure that this sort of thing doesn't happen again. Coupled with that is the importance of reaching out to the victims so that they understand not only our sorrow, but also our desire to help them rebuild their lives and overcome, and as much as possible, the damage that's been done to them.
I want to switch gears just a little bit here. The bishops voted yesterday on the 2021-2024 strategic plan. Would you be able to talk a little bit more about its theme and its goals really for these challenging times?
Well, certainly the Pastoral Plan is actually the product of 2 years of work. And there's a desire primarily to refocus on our faith in the Eucharist as the body and blood of Christ, and also to use that gift from the Lord as an opportunity to heal, particularly just after the pandemic, and then after obviously the most recent revelations in terms of the sexual abuse crisis. And so each of the 44 different bodies that will operate for the Pastoral Plan have contributed to develop their own implementation of that plan. So it really is something that's comprehensive for the next 3 years. Well, starting in 2021 until 2024.
And before we let you go, Archbishop Gomez spoke about the need for heroic Christianity. Can you talk about that and what it looks like at this moment?
Well, I think it's important that we live our faith. We honor the saints because they stood out and they made a difference. And I think we have to do that in our outreach to those most in need, in our clear witness about what it is that we believe, and our clear testimony about the truths of our faith. And I think that touches the life of every believer, but certainly is very important for us as pastors of the church in the United States.
Well, Your Excellency, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. Archbishop Timothy P. Broglio of the Archdiocese for the Military Services USA and chairman-elect of the Committee on Priorities and Plans. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Thank you.